Hello students, my name is Shaishaf and today we'll be going over the basics of Excel. Before understanding any of the functionalities of Excel, we should understand how each cells are named and what are the naming conventions of the Excel. So basically, whenever you select any of the cells, you can observe that there is a border around that particular cell, and how it is named is based on the intersection of columns and rows. So each column has been named after an alphabet and each row has been named after a digit. So the intersections of column and row makes the name of a cell. So whenever you select any particular cell, as you see, there is a border around the selected cell. This could be green, black, blue, based on the version of the Excel. So whenever you select a specific cell, you can observe that in the name box, this is also known as name box, or the place where we can see the name. So this area which is currently I'm highlighting is the name box that consists of the name of the selected cell. So how the selection works: whenever I select any of the cells, it consists of two things: column and row. So it's A and 1. Whenever if I am selecting this cell, it should be intersection of that column and row. So it could be first comes columns, so M, and then it's 12, so it's M12. Using the horizontal scroll bar, you can scroll all the way to the end of the each column, and you can observe that the name would be changing. So as you see, it's Z, A, B. So you keep going up till the X, F, D. So when you see this the alphabets is XFD, it will be the last cell of the entire Excel sheet. And so we can see that how this is the limit of the columns. However, for the limit of the rows, there's also a limit of the rows, which is 10, 1 10 10. We also have the limit for the rows, which is 10 4 8 5 7 6, and this is the generally the limit for the rows. However, this is a large space, so it consists of many of the cells. So it consists of over 17 billion cells, so that's quite much. However, or you can always create a new sheet by clicking on the plus sign, and whenever you click on the plus sign, so whenever you click on the plus sign, you can see new sheet is created. So which means that another 17 billion cells are been ready for your use. You can use it whenever you want to. So based on that, we can understand that there's a large space to work for, and the 17 billion cells, each cells consist of separate data entry options. So which means that by default it does not interlink with the different cells. So this one cell and this other cell is not at all connected. Any of the cells by default is not at all connected in the AnyWorks Excel sheet. Yes, this different advantage. It helps the Excel is a powerful tool because users can perform various actions by using various cells and have a bunch of area and space to work with. And this is just the basics of the Excel. So we can now just revise that. In the today's session, all we learn is the understanding how the naming convention works, which is column plus row, which gives us the name of the particular cell. Column has a specific limit, which is XFD, and each column is named after an alphabet. Similarly, row has been set up to the digits, and it consists of the limit of 10 4 8 7 6. So this is the limit of the each row, and in overall there have been more than 17 billion cells which can we use, or a user can use in a specific worksheet. And always a user can create a new worksheet. So every time you create a new worksheet, you have the space of 17 billion. This easy interaction, as well as a bunch of amount of different cell entries provided, and this is working space area, it helps the users to work more and understand better. So this different features of the Excels makes it so much powerful that users can perform various actions and manipulation and using the Excel. Thank you so much guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment and subscribe.